Welcome back to the show. We continue again with Wichita Homeworks. This is Nate, the president here. Thank you so much for being with us today, Nate.
Thanks for stopping by another project.
So today we are in Belle Air, learning more about an interior project with you today. So lots going on in here.
Yeah. So full kitchen remodel. As you can see, we've taken all of the old cabinets out, countertops, backsplash, appliances, you name it. We've reframed a couple things, so we've got a new pantry here behind us, and we also are putting in a peninsula in here for the new cabinetry and whatnot. And so at this stage of the process, we have all of our tradesmen coming through here. So we have electricians, plumbers, our HVAC guys. They're coming in, as you can see. They've got everything stubbed out, and this is what we consider roughing.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so that's the first step before you guys can come in and really start making this look like a finished product.
Yeah. So I always kind of look at it as a hill that we got to get over, and your trade rough-ins are always kind of at the top of that hill. Once we pass that point, then it kind of starts to look like we're putting things back together instead of taking them apart.
Kind of got to do all those behind-the-scenes things first before the rest of it.
Part of it is we get inspections from the city. They come in, check everything out, sign us off on our permit. Once we're good with that, we start putting drywall back on the walls, finishing things up. We'll be putting cabinetry in, doing the trim work. All those kinds of things.
And those are all things, maybe some we haven't talked about, those are all things that you guys take care of. The homeowner is hands off, and you guys take care of all that stuff that maybe people don't really think about. Yeah,
so one of the things that we pride ourselves on is we're one call for the customer. So they call us once, we will walk them through the entire process. So the design phase, choosing materials, looking at renderings, making adjustments.
So the kitchen's just kind of scratching the surface. So real quick, tell us about what else is going on here.
So we consider this kind of a kitchen remodel plus a main floor refresh. So as you can see, we've pulled all the flooring, we've pulled all the trim, the doors, we've scraped all the ceilings. You see that a lot now. Popcorn ceilings are out. That's the word on the street. So we've been scraping ceilings. This one we are going to go back with a what they call a knockdown texture, a little more modern look. We're also doing a lot of flat ceilings as well. So once we get all that taken care of, we'll be painting. We'll be putting new trim in, new doors, and then flooring. And it's really cool to see. In my opinion, it's kind of a simple things. It's nothing super invasive. The kitchen obviously is more invasive, but just those things will really revamp the space and make it look good. So.
Yeah, those simple things make a big difference, I feel like, in a home. Well, Nate, tell us how people can get more information.
Yeah, we'd be happy to talk with them. They can give us a call at 316-303-4485, or they can visit us on the web at wichitahomeworks.com.
It's always fun every other week learning more about what you guys do. Thank you so much for being with us
today, Nate. Thank you.
That'll do it for this edition of Good Day Kansas. Hope you can tune in again tomorrow right here on KSN.